Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that Do Not Disturb mode not working since you updated it to iOS 17. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is right now go into settings. Now once you're in settings, I just want you to look for this specific section called focus, this one right here, and then you should see Do Not Disturb option at the very top. As you can see, mine is currently on. So if you're seeing this one and it's not on, make sure you enable it by adding a schedule. You should add a schedule to enable it. If not, you can just swipe down your screen and this is the Do Not Disturb option. Just click this one and you're good to go. Next one is that if that's still not working, make sure this three other modes aren't enabled. Make sure they're disabled because they might be conflicting or overlapping with Do Not Disturb. Make sure you do that one. And third one, this button right here that says share across devices, make sure this is disabled. This is toggled off if you're not working for DND or Do Not Disturb. So since mine is working for Do Not Disturb, I'm gonna let it stay on. Now, for some reason you're still having problem with DND or Do Not Disturb, I suggest going back to settings and then heading to general. Make sure you click on software update and make sure you just update your iOS to the latest version available. And that's it. That's how you fix your DND or Do Not Disturb mode in iOS 17. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.